To change the front tire on your Rover or Golf model, take your 8mm Allen wrench, loosen the front wheel bolt and remove it. After removing your front wheel, remove the valve cover and deflate the tire. Then you'll take your 10mm socket and remove the 5 nuts on the back side of the wheel hub. And then turn your wheel around, take your 5mm Allen wrench and remove the 5 screws on the outside of the wheel hub. After moving your 5 screws, you can separate the 2-piece wheel hub. So take your new front tire with the drive arrow direction facing forward and the valve stem facing outward. Take the inside wheel hub piece, which has the threaded 5 holes, and line up your valve stem in the slot on the inside wheel hub. After installing the inside wheel hub with the threaded screw holes and the inner tube valve aligned with the slot, make sure you insert your spacer. Then take your outside wheel hub, align the slot with the inner tube valve as well. Get your holes lined up correctly, and then press the 2 halves together so you can put your first screw in, and then it'll hold and you can put the other 5 in. Be careful not to cross thread these. Make sure they're going in straight. You can feel if they're cross threading if they get too tight. Then take your 5mm Allen wrench, tighten them down all the way using a crisscross pattern to make sure that it tightens down evenly. After tightening your 5 screws, flip the wheel around, hold the screw with the 5mm Allen wrench from the back side as you tighten the nut so that it doesn't loosen. And repeat that for all 5 nuts. After installing the 5 nuts on the back side of the wheel hub, flip it around and we're going to inflate the tire. The tire says 20 psi on the sidewall, which would be the low end. You can go up to 35. The higher the psi, the less rolling resistance you'll have and you'll get battery range. The lower the psi, the softer the front wheels will feel. And the final step after you've reinstalled the new tire is to run your wheel bolt through, get your 8mm Allen wrench, make sure you line up the threads and reinstall your wheel bolt.